Yo, what's up, everybody? Happy Easter. It is another Forex weekly forecast video for the week of the 4th to the 9th of April. And for this, we're going to start looking at the ForexFactor.com, checking the calendar, see the news events. So obviously, today's holiday is Easter, so big holidays. So, it's closed. So the market's going to be slow when it opens up today. And then Monday is going to be slow because of the holidays. As you can see, there's a lot of banks closed, affecting the euro and the pound. So Monday's gonna be a slow day. So I'll probably start to look for trades on Tuesday in the market where there's more volatility. Because you see Tuesday, just more folders that are showing low impact, and then red for the AUD for the RBA rate statement during Asian session. So nothing too crazy for Tuesday, and then Wednesday, still a lot of news events affecting the euro. And then there's high impact news for the USD, the FOMC meeting minutes through New York session. And then Thursday, a lot of low impact news events. And then you have the Fed Chair Powell speaks through New York session. So this week is kind of, you could say, so far light. This is the week after NFP. So usually the week after NFP, nothing too crazy. And on Friday, there is a lot of news events for like the Canadian dollar through New York session, the unemployment rate and employment change. So it's going to be very volatile if you trade the Canadian dollar on Friday. So look out for that pair if you trade that. But overall this week, nothing too crazy. Probably should start trading towards Tuesday through Friday. And just be mindful, use good risk management. And now let's look at charts. So right now, as you can see, this is pretty much what happened last week. Last week, we ended pretty much on an uptrend. So for this week, this is a 4-hour chart for the GP USD. Knowing that Sunday, Monday, like bank holiday. So I do see this pair still continue to the upside to potentially test this previous zone over here. So we should potentially test the 0.38600 area this week. And if we decide to break, we'll continue to go up slowly to try to get to the 0.3960. But I'm not saying it's going to go straight to there this week, because this week is a lot of low impact news events. So that is a target. But like I said, volatility, there's not that much volatility first 2 days. So we could literally hit here, play around, come down a little bit, probably retest back up. But if we do not break through here, come back down, we should test this zone area. And if we break down through here, we might, which this is a might, come back down here. But I don't really think so. But noting seeing what's happening with this pair, I mean, it's an uptrend right now. As you see, we're going up, it came back down, we're going back up. So we could literally come back down before we're shooting back up, down, up. So I don't see us going down to this low. I don't see us coming down to this low, but it is a possibility the market could literally come down that low depending on what's going on with the news events. But we do have an uptrend, so I do see us coming down here, the worst case, and coming back up to hit that mark. Now let's look at Gbp Jpy. So this pair has been very bullish, as you can see. The GBP USD and GBP Jpy, they usually correlate, but lately it hasn't. So we're in a strong bullish momentum. I do see us continue this for our chart, continue to like go higher and just continue to create higher highs. So overall, I see this pair still moving bullish. So look for buys to be safe. And then for gold, so last week gold finally shot up. People waiting for the longs for gold to finally shoot up. So gold literally went up. So I do see gold, if it does come down a little bit and playing around to try to get to the 1770 area. That's like a target that gold is trying to get to. As you can see, prior prior weeks, gold was just consolidating and then just dropped and finally shot up. So I do see us potentially come back down a little bit and shooting back up. Or if gold decides to slowly come back up, it will come back up, then retest, and then shoot back up. And this US 30, so US 30 ended bullish, we're creating like highs. The market's finally doing pretty decent due to stuff happening. So I do see this pair continue to going up. If it does retrace down a little bit, but overall uptrend for the US 30. And Bitcoin, for all my Bitcoin traders. So Bitcoin did break structure a few days ago, so it slightly dropped. Right now, I do see it, because I know like people waiting for it to hit 60,000. I do see it potentially coming back down around the zone area, coming back down to test this area to then shoot back up. So I'm not sold on it to continue rising right now to go create new highs. I feel like right now it's going to drop down before it tests its zone area and to shoot up. So that's why I'm going for Bitcoin. But for those who trade Ripple, right now, Ripple is on the uptrend. I finally dropped down, so I am looking to get in my opportunities. As you can see, there's a 4-hour chart and ride the wave back up, because I know it finally hit the 60 area. So I do see it potentially trying to get back to this 70 area. So right now, I feel like it's going to come back, test a little bit, and shoot back up, create new highs for this week. So just be on the lookout for XRP. A lot of good stuff going on. And last but not least, Euro AUD. So last week, pretty much it went on uptrend, and then Friday is pretty much, well, Thursday, Friday pretty much dropped down. So I do see it continue to uptrend for this week. I see it playing around the zone area and potentially shooting back up to test the 0.55500 area. So that's what I'm looking for right now, to ride it back up. So it's been dropped down, went up, testing this area. So I'm trying to see, test the area one last time. So that's pretty much the analysis for the week. This week is Easter week, so there's a lot of big holidays. So the volatility market first 2 days might not be all that. So don't get discouraged. Use good risk management and just be patient, because the moves will play out as the volatility comes to the market from Tuesday to Friday. And just be careful for Friday because of NFB. So also definitely go to investing.com and check out different pairs, what's going on with like stocks, commodities, currencies, or cryptocurrency, wherever you're into. And that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.